Hello friend, welcome to a new video from Netn. After installing Nextcloud and apps like Desk and Talking in previous videos, now we need an Office application for private cloud server. I will put the link of the previous videos in the description. I recommend using only Office for Office applications. You will be asked to enter the admin password before installation. Before installing only Office, you must install Community Document Server first. Then you search for the keyword Only Office and install this Office suite. Only Office is fully compatible with Microsoft Office formats. Additionally, Only Office on Nextcloud allows users to collaborate on Office documents with your team members in real time. In this video, I will create a small spreadsheet and share it with my team member Mary. I will make a simple spreadsheet of the number of fruits like apples, lemons, bananas. Then Mary and I will edit and update the numbers together on this same spreadsheet. If you want, you can download and open with Microsoft Office application. And you will find that both of you will be using the same spreadsheet at the same time. And both have the right to edit and update the spreadsheet in real time. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and leave your questions in the comment section down below. Good luck.